we go. Okay, let's drop it down. Let's drop it down. Let's drop it down. There was a nice fish. If we can get some more good sized fish like that. Here we go, straight away. I can feel the bites. Yep, here we go. Yep. I think it's not as big as the last one. Ooh, did I speak too soon? Not sure how much line have I got out, but I think it's close. I think based on the head shakes, definitely a snapper. There were some really good runs right at the beginning. Unfortunately, I didn't have the camera on. Where is it? I don't see it. Oh, yep, I can see it on the sounder. 15 meters. I should be able to see color really soon. It hasn't given up yet. We're in 10 meters. Yep, it is a snapper, and it's a good one too. It is a huge snapper. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. That is a good snapper. Oh, that's too big. I think I'm gonna let it go. That is a giant snapper. Okay. I won't take too long because I want to let this one go. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, look at that. That is a beautiful fish. Alright, let's sort this out. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. The hook is right in there. Look at the pliers. Yep. It's a beautiful snap. Okay. Is it gone? Yep.